Hello my dear students. In this video we'll discuss class 8 mathematics square and square roots, very important points to remember for your exams. The first point is square of any number is a product of the number with the number itself. Means when we have to find the square of x, what you have to do? You just multiply x by x. So x multiply x will give us x square. That is called square of x. Means square of a number is a product of number with the number itself. Second point, a natural number n is a perfect square if n equal to m square for some natural number m. Means n is called a perfect square if it can be represented as some number square, like here 16. 16 can be written as 4 square because 4 into 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16. So this 16 is called perfect square. Now a number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8. Number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square. Means the number which ends, means its last digit or unit digit is 2, 3, 7 or 8. It cannot be a perfect square. What for others? If 1, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 0. So these can be perfect square. Okay, this is not necessary, but we can say it for sure that if number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8, it's never a perfect square. 4th point, a number ending in an odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. Like odd number of zeros means if number ending with only 1 zeros or 3 zeros or 5 zeros, means number ending with odd number of zeros are not a perfect square. Why not perfect square? Because you can see if we square 10, so 10 is square, it comes 100. In 10 there is 1 zero, but if we square it, that becomes double, so 2 zeros. So if we take 100 square, 100 square will be 10,000. In 10,000 there are 4 zeros. So if a number is a perfect square and ending with zeros, it can be only even number of zeros, either 2 zeros, 4 zeros. It cannot be odd number of zeros. Now square of an even number is even. You can see any number. If number is even, its square is also even. Why even? Because even multiplied by even gives us even. And square of odd number is odd. If you multiply odd number by other same odd number, means square. If you do a square of odd number, that result is odd, because odd multiplied by odd is always odd number. 6th point, for any natural number n is natural number, what we have? N square equals sum of the first n odd natural numbers. Means if it is 3 square, means sum of first 3 odd natural numbers. What is first 3 odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5. Okay, so if we add 1 plus 3 plus 5, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9. And what is 3 square? 3 square is 3 3 is 9. So n square, n can be any natural number. N square is equals to sum of the first n odd natural numbers. 7th point, if any natural number m greater than m 1, if m is greater than 1, then Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet means that follow Pythagoras theorem. So 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. This is called Pythagorean triplet. In that case, this number square means 2m whole square plus m square minus 1 whole square will be equal to m square plus 1 whole square. Like here you can see 3 square means, let's say 2m is 4, m square minus 1 is 3. So this 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square, because 3 square 9, 4 square 16 and 5 square 25. 9 plus 16 is 25. So this 3, 4, 5 is called a Pythagorean triplet. 8th point, the square root of a number x is square root. Okay, Square root of a number x is that number which when multiplied by itself gives x as the product, and we denote the square root of x by root x. Means square root of a number x is that number, means square root is that number which when multiplied by itself to give x. Like if you have to find the square root of 4, square root of 4. So what is square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. Why 2? Because 2 multiplied by 2, the number multiplied by same number, okay, gives x as the product, means gives 4 as a product, and this can be written as square root of 4 is root 4. 9 point. In order to find the square root of a perfect square, any number that is perfect square, and we have to find its square root, then what we have to do? Just find its prime factors, means convert that or write the number in prime factors form. Make pairs of similar factors, like you are getting factors 2, 3, 5 and so on. So just make pairs of similar factors, means 2, 2 a pair, 3, 3 a pair, that way, and take the product of prime factors, choosing one out of every pair. Means when how many pairs you are getting, just take any one number from each pair and then just multiply, and you will get the square root of that perfect square number. Next point, for finding the square root of a decimal fraction, make the number of decimal places even by affixing a 0. If necessary, mark the periods and find out the square root, putting the decimal point in the square root as soon as the integral part is exhausted. Means how we calculate the decimal fraction? If the number of digits after decimal are odd, so make it even just by putting zeros. Like you have to find the decimal, you have to find the square root of 23.5. So what you will do? You will write 23.50, because after decimal there was only one digit, so make it even digits, even number of digits, means 50, so 2 digits now. If necessary, mark the periods. How we mark the periods? Means group of 2 digits after decimal and before decimal, and find out the square root. Whenever the integral part is exhausted, means integral part is end, means like in 23.50, if 23 is used, means that is used, so after that point is there, so whenever this is end, just put decimal in the square root part in top. Now for positive numbers a and b, if a and b both are positive numbers, then root of ab is equals to root a multiplied by root b. Means if two numbers are multiplied in same square root, so we can separate the square root of a multiplied by root of b. Similarly, if root of a by b, okay, here again this is combined, a by b is in same root, so we can separate this also, root a divided by root b. I think it is clear to you. We have already discussed many questions based on this in our videos. Please like and share our videos and subscribe my channel if you want these types of videos. Thanks for watching.